Compassionate Carnivores. Today we're showing you guys how to make carnivore sandwiches. So we're doing Courtney Luna's recipe again. We did this before, but we are going to divide it by 2 and do it in half just to make it a little smaller because this is the guide that we're going to be using. 6 eggs. We have 3/4 cup of cottage cheese, and then we have 1 cup of pork panko, and then we're going to use half a stick of butter and a little bit of butter to put in this pan. So you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Courtney uses a 9x5-inch loaf pan with parchment paper, but we just put butter in ours, and our cup is about 4 cups, so we're doing half of the recipe and hoping that it fits. And then we have some turkey and Colby Jack cheese that we're going to use for our sandwiches. This is super simple and easy to make. It's just 4 ingredients and 4 steps.
Okay, we're going to put the cottage cheese in here now because you blend it, right?
Boom. 1 cup pork panko. And we're going to do half a thing of butter melted. We have all of our ingredients in here, and we're just going to add the melted butter. Look how beautiful that is. I hope it fits. It does rise a lot too. So now we're going to put it in for about an hour. We're going to keep checking on it until it's brown and put a toothpick in it. Just like that, super simple and easy. It's so small that it might actually be done. I'm gonna let it go for 2 more minutes. Oh my gosh. Oh, what do you think?
It's done, nothing came out.
All right, we're gonna take it out and let it cool. Last time we did not let it cool. We're gonna let it cool, and then we're gonna cut it, and we're gonna slice some pieces. Look how cute that is. How many minutes did that take to cook?
30.
Oh, really? 30 minutes. I can't believe that's 4 ingredients. Okay, this is what it looks like. Definitely use parchment paper or more. But, oh my gosh, can you flip that bad boy? How did you burn your tongue?
That really hurt.
How'd you burn it?
I licked the fork.
Oh, look at that. So cute. We're gonna let this cool for like 20 minutes.
It's the ugliest piece of bread. Carnivores don't eat bread. Is it hot? You gotta let it cool down.
Look at that though, it's nice and fluffy. It's gonna be a small little sandwich though. We're gonna toast it.
VIP options or somebody to upsell.
I don't think we're gonna get it out.
You could do that.
Now it's got like a crispy texture.
What are you doing?
Aww.
You're ruining it.
What do I do?
Here, grab this one.
Wait, I got an idea.
This one's a little broken.
Okay, now it's time to try it. Cheers.
I mean, it tastes like a sandwich.
Wait, that's actually pretty good. Last time we made bread, we did it really thick, but if you slice it thinly and add some butter on it, so delicious. This is really good. Now we can make a lot of mini sandwiches.
We have all this bread left over.
I rated it 10 out of 10. How do we explain the flavor to them? Explain the flavor to them.
Eggy. Tastes like kind of like an
It doesn't
omelet.
taste eggy to me. Not at all. I taste the pork rinds. I don't know. It's like a bland taste. It's really good. I think some people make carnivore mayo. I think that would be really good. Well, that is how you make carnivore sandwiches. Well, we wish you all the absolute best. Bye.